Gentlemen, this is a very simple problem. In this problem, you are given a frictionless horizontal table on which you put a mass of 2 kg and you applied a force F. Due to this force, your block move up to 10 meter in the time interval of 2 seconds. Definitely this is the unknown quantity force which you have to find out. Obviously your block is initially at rest. You can say U is equal to 0. Am I right? To find out the force, it is a very simple. You have find out the net force acting on a body and equate them equal to product of its mass and acceleration. So gentlemen, this is the only sentence you can use in every 42 problems of Concept of Physics written by Professor S.C. Verma. This is the very first problem of chapter 5, Newton's law of motion. Here you find that net force is only one force because this is a frictionless. No force is acting about except this force. So you have only net force is F. Mass you know that is given by 2 kg. If you find out the acceleration during this 10 meter travel in 2 seconds, definitely you can find out the quantity force. To find out the acceleration, it is very simple. You can use S is equal to ut plus half at square. Initial velocity u was 0 because your block was at rest, and you have find out the acceleration in 2 seconds when it travel 10 meters. This 2 we cancel again, this 2 will cancel to 5. You can find out the acceleration is nothing but 5 meters per second square. Now it is very easy to find out the force acting 2 kg block is 2 into acceleration is 5, that is the 10 Newton. So gentlemen, if you are able to find out the net force on a body and multiply them by product of its mass and acceleration, multiply acceleration of the body with its mass, you will find out the desired quantity. This is the basic concept you can apply in all the 42 problems